What is up, my CK babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, hello, hello, hello. If you are not new, welcome back. And as you read by the title, we got a new segment, Cooking with CK. Y'all, I don't even know how to cook. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to cook. But today, we're gonna be making some homemade shrimp Alfredo, okay? With a side of garlic nuts and some asparagus. I got my shrimp, and I have my peppers. I have a red pepper, yellow pepper, and green bell pepper. So I'm just gonna put everything in this one, and we're just gonna jump right in. Honestly, y'all, I don't know how to cook, y'all. I don't know how to cook. I've never made homemade Alfredo. The only thing I know how to make is the Alfredo that be in the Zartans bag, and I just pour the bag and fill it. That's the only thing I know how to make. So, Parmesan, and we got mozzarella cheese. We got some heavy, we got some heavy whipping cream, and we got 1 onion. And we got some panini chips. And of course, we have to get some wine. Now, this wine was on sale for $4, so you know I had to go on cop it, right? I got some minced garlic, so I think this is everything you need to get started with making homemade Alfredo. So let me wash my hands and let's pour some wine and let's get started. Alright, so before we even get into this, because I don't even know if I want to use these honestly. Like now, I don't know. So we just gonna start with our noodles and we're gonna go ahead and boil it up. And remember, I do not know how to cook. Get that boiling. I'm gonna grab another bowl so we can get our shrimp ready and we can season these together. Okay. So I'm just gonna use this little bowl. Move this out the way. Let's go to the water. Wash these, and then I'm gonna put them on this plate because I need them to dry. Get this water on. Okay. So this is like a couple of paper towels to just get those from being wet, I guess. Yeah, I'm literally doing what I see, okay? Because again, I did not know how to cook. But today, we're gonna learn. Y'all stay tuned for episode 2 of Cooking with CK because I'm bringing on a special guest. Okay, so we're gonna season with some onion powder. Then we're gonna do some garlic salt and parsley. Okay, and we're gonna, why am I getting Creole seasoning? We have Creole seasoning. We don't. So we just gonna season all. I use the big side. Oh my god, y'all. I'm just gonna mix it up with that because I'm missing 3. Because it's nowhere. Okay. There we go. We're gonna season all. That should be enough. And we're gonna use some of honestly, I wish I had a little more seasonings for my shrimp, but I don't. So yeah, I mean, we just do what we do, and do what we do. Okay, okay. So now that we got our shrimp all seasoned up, see that? I mean, it's pretty seasoned. So we're gonna take our skillet and we'll make this happen. And I'm gonna spray my pan because, well, actually, I'm gonna add some butter in my pan. So we're just gonna add like just a little cube of butter. And I'm gonna spray it too. So now we got that. And my water is boiling, so we'll go ahead and add our noodles in there. So I honestly don't know what that will be enough. We'll add a little salt in the other pasta. Y'all see me to repack because it's actually huge. We're just gonna drop our shrimp in now. We're just gonna drop the shrimp in now. She wants to take the little out of I guess. I literally have no clue how to do this. And I think you just chop it like this. Or like this. Now, why do I need bell peppers in this anyway? Do you need bell peppers in homemade Alfredo? Because I told somebody to make me a list of what I needed to make the Alfredo, and I just went and got it. So, you probably don't need bell peppers in yours. I don't know. You ain't gonna stick with like this. And they just chop it up here. No, I'm gonna get a second opinion on this. Because, yeah. Everybody on YouTube do not even use no bell peppers or anything. So, we just gonna call to see. I'm not sure. Oh, the cookie baby is sizzling it. Alright, so, hey, what time do I put this in there? I put both of them in there? Yo, I'm really chopping this up. I'm really cooking. I did something. I'm good. Of course. So, yeah. It's a banana pepper. Because it's me like. I love banana pepper. So. Yeah, right, get your baby back. I don't know. Y'all want to do it? Okay, and then I'm just gonna save this one for later because that unstick us. Look at all these. This is a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in trash. I think they clean the top off. Let's try this one. Oh, I don't know. This one looks weird. Look at these. Okay, so we're gonna click this one off. It's hard work. I'm done. Okay, what's that this one? I think I'll just be okay. Oh, I don't know how much it will cook. I guess it's off. I don't know. Just be it. Alright, my CK babes, my shrimp is done. So, we're gonna put them on a plate, not the same plate that we seasoned them on. And we're just going to put these to the side so we can use our skillet for the rest. And we're gonna leave that right there. And then we got our shrimp, so we're just gonna leave our shrimp right there so we can move on or whatever. This onion. Are you supposed to peel the onion? I don't know. Let's just jump right in because I don't even know how to cut onion. But my cameraman just walked in late, but whatever. I'm just gonna chop it up. How do you cut onion? How do you cut onion? Do I just go straight down the middle? Do I do slices or what? I'm gonna just chop it to where it's small enough to be like this because I honestly don't know how to cut onion. I just look at the wise over. And I just be. Look at the guys one. Look at the guys over. Okay, over there. That's it. Over there. I'm gonna do this. That's me. I'm just gonna make me do this. Let me really do it. Okay, and look at this. Alright, my babe. So we got this all chopped up. Now we're gonna start with our skillet. So we're gonna put a whole thing of butter in the skillet. First, let's turn the skillet back on. All right, so we just get this open. And I guess I just take like a handful of this and put it in the skillet. Or a big scoop of mixed garlic. I don't know how much mixed garlic added. We can add it now. And I feel like butter make it taste better. So we make a hole. Alright. So we got that cookie. And now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna, oh, my station a little messed up. Let's throw these onions away first. Let's keep our station and look clean. Oh, this cutting board heavy as I don't know what. We just gonna take it and we just gonna dump all these up in there. Why this cutting board so heavy? That ain't them a lot of vegetables. That is a lot. I don't even care if the rest don't go in there. Because that is a lot. Dang, that's a lot. It looks like we making stir fry. I don't know. I hope it be good. This is what they said. They said once this get to like a simmer or whatever, I don't know, like a cook or whatever. Like brown it or something, I don't know. I just know that this is a lot. So we just gonna let that brown. And then I'm gonna add my heavy cream afterwards. So we're gonna go over here. And you wanna cook these? Yeah. Oh no. I know these are going to the oven. We're just gonna take them out. So we do have asparagus. And like I said, I don't know how to cook asparagus. So I think we're just gonna cook these in the oven. And we're just gonna see how I do in the oven. Because actually, let's pause and look at TikTok and see how they cook it. Time for the asparagus. So I just did my research. What I seen was, what? Like, girl. I'm just watching all this thing. I'm just eating them. Whatever. With pretty much nice eating that I had the wrong side. So, yeah. So. Pepper. Season on. Salt. So, yeah. Pretty much it for that. I have the oven on. And I add some garlic. Oh, it's a little bit more. I got to make it taste a little bit. I wasn't broccoli, but I'm broccoli all the time. I punch on broccoli every day. All the time. And I can different love asparagus. And I'm trying to get asparagus more often. Because when I try to eat, I already. So, yeah. It's like it has some lemon. I don't know. It's how they look. And we just gonna. Look like this. I guess you just add this to there. I really don't know how much to add. We just gonna wing it. So I guess I should add that. So you add your heavy whipped cream. And then I'm gonna get my mozzarella. Yeah, I honestly don't know how much to add. So we just gonna wing it. Those things are like. So I'm gonna just add that much of that. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna do it already. Look at that cheese. Ooh. Let me add my other cheese. So we're gonna add some fancy shredded Parmesan next. I don't know why I say fancy shredded. Me personally, I like it real cheesy. So I'm gonna make it super cheesy. And I'm stir all this up. And I'm putting my garlic nuts on there. You get a nice just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit them in there. So just have them kind of cooking. Actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and sit everything in there because, and I'm gonna just keep checking on it because I need it to go in there and do things. Y'all, why the oven still ain't cut on? Bake. Turn it down a little bit because I don't want it to burn. I'm gonna add a little more heavy whipped cream. And that's all of it. My noodles, they look done. Honestly. I don't know if you're supposed to drain noodles or what. So yeah, I had to go get some blackening seasoning and some Old Bay. And I had to take it off the fire because it was burning a little bit. But we back on track. And it's still good, bookie. Alright, so I had to fix it up a little bit. And I tasted my spoon. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see when I put everything in it. So,
now put your noodles now.
okay. Let's drain these. Don't mind the sink or whatever. That's what's going to drain. Okay, so I'm get back here. That's one. Yeah, I know I was gonna go the way. Oh, and then glad I used one pack of noodles because, yeah.
Don't use all of them.
Alright. So, yeah, I'm going to cook mode. I really don't want to use all the noodles because I don't think you need all the noodles. Other people that I seen, it was a little soupier. So, well, I honestly don't like the soup at all. So, let's check on our stew. So, I brought not still cooking. It looks like they do. I'm going to brought not still a little bit more. And I'm going to add some butter on my stereo. This butter be so hard to break up. Hey, y'all. And I don't really want to put that because I'm lazy. So, just throw them in. So, yeah. I'm gonna that is too small. But it right there. So yeah, I'm gonna let them roll out like 2 more seconds and then I'll take them out. We're gonna put this back on low. Literally low. So right now I'm just waiting on my asparagus to get done. I got my garlic nut side and my Alfredo is done. Just waiting on my asparagus a little more. My melter has buttered. My butter has melted. So yeah, we're gonna let them cook a little more. Okay, my babes. We are done cooking. Finally. This is the plate. I mean, we got a little Alfredo with our little parsley. I mean, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, looks pretty good, huh? I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Now, real review. It's good. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next cooking with CK. 10 out of 10. First time cooking homemade shrimp Alfredo. First time with some baked asparagus. With garlic knots. And I definitely like the fresh asparagus instead of the can. I don't know what made me get asparagus out the can. But this right here is way better. With my $4 wine. Yeah. Make sure y'all comment what y'all would do differently. Until next time.